Welcome to our channel, where we bring you important information and guidance on dealing with life-altering events. Today, we will shed light on the crucial role of a Santa Fe truck accident lawyer in seeking justice and obtaining fair compensation after a devastating truck accident. Truck accidents can result in severe injuries, enormous financial burdens, and emotional distress for victims and their families. The aftermath of such accidents can be overwhelming, but you don't have to face it alone. Let's explore how a Santa Fe truck accident lawyer can assist you in your journey towards justice and the compensation you deserve. Every year, thousands of individuals fall victim to truck accidents, often resulting in catastrophic consequences. Due to the sheer size and weight of commercial trucks, collisions can lead to devastating injuries, permanent disabilities, or even fatalities. The impact on physical, emotional, and financial well-being can be life-altering for the victims and their loved ones. Unfortunately, dealing with truck accident cases involves complex legal challenges and rigorous investigations. Determining liability, negotiating with insurance companies, and navigating legal procedures are demanding tasks that require professional expertise. It is essential to seek assistance from a Santa Fe truck accident lawyer who specializes in such cases to ensure your rights are protected and justice is served. A skilled Santa Fe truck accident lawyer can be your advocate throughout the legal process, fighting to secure the justice and compensation you deserve. They possess in-depth knowledge of truck accident laws, courtroom procedures, and negotiation tactics crucial for your case. They will carefully evaluate your situation, provide legal guidance, gather evidence, interview witnesses, and construct a strong claim on your behalf. Your attorney will embark on a comprehensive investigation to gather evidence crucial to your case. This includes obtaining accident reports, analyzing medical records, hiring accident reconstruction experts, and interviewing potential witnesses. By building a robust case, your lawyer aims to establish liability and demonstrate the full extent of damages, ensuring you have the best chance of success. Insurance companies often try to minimize payouts, making it challenging for victims to receive fair compensation. A dedicated Santa Fe truck accident lawyer will skillfully negotiate with these powerful entities, ensuring your rights are protected and your damages adequately covered. With their legal expertise and experience, they will fight to secure the financial compensation needed for medical expenses, lost wages, rehabilitation, pain and suffering, and other related damages. We hope this video provided you with valuable insights into the importance of hiring a Santa Fe truck accident lawyer after experiencing a catastrophic truck accident. Remember, you don't have to face the legal complexities and fight for justice alone. Seek the help of a skilled attorney who will stand by your side, advocating for your rights and tirelessly working to achieve the justice and compensation you deserve.